डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट वी हैव और मैं किसे बताता. Who else could I tell? Who else could I tell? और मैं क्या करता. What else could I do? What else could I do? और मैं क्या कहता. What else could I say? What else could I say? और वह क्या खाता. What else could he eat? What else could he eat? Next we have और मैं क्या पढ़ाता. What else could I teach? What else could I teach? और हम कहाँ जाते. Where else could we go? Where else could we go? और हम क्या करते. What else could we do? What else could we do? और तुम कहाँ जाते. Where else could you go? Where else could you go? Next we have यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. वो मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. He means a lot to me. He means a lot to me. तुम मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखती हो. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. वो मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखती है. She means a lot to me. She means a lot to me. Next we have मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता. Nothing goes off me. Nothing goes off me. मेरा सब कुछ जाता. Everything goes off me. Everything goes off me. मेरा कुछ तो जाता. Something goes off me. Something goes off me. मेरा क्या जाता. What goes off me? What goes off me? Next we have 5 बजा है या 5 बजे हैं. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. 5:30 बजे हैं. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. अब 5 बजने वाला है. It is just on 5. It is just on 5. 4:45 बजा है. It is a quarter to 5. It is a quarter to 5. Next we have 7:15 बजा है या 7:15 बजे हैं. It is 7:15. It is 7:15. 7:05 हुआ है. It is 7:05 और you can say it is 7:05. 7 बजने में 5 मिनट बाकी हैं. It is 5 to 7. It is 5 to 7. 7 बजने ही वाला है. It's almost 7 o'clock. It's almost 7 o'clock. Next we have बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मैं कभी बहाने नहीं बनाता. I never make excuses. I never make excuses. क्या तुम बहाने बनाते हो? Do you make excuses? Do you make excuses? वह तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है या वह लड़का तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है. He doesn't deserve you. He doesn't deserve you. वह लड़की तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है. She doesn't deserve you. तुम किसी चीज़ के लायक नहीं हो. You don't deserve anything. You don't deserve anything. तुम मेरी दोस्ती के लायक नहीं हो. You don't deserve my friendship. You don't deserve my friendship. Next we have मुझे कानून मत सिखाओ. Don't teach law to me. Don't teach law to me. वह मुझे कानून सिखा रहा था. He was teaching law to me. He was teaching law to me. मुझे कानून सिखाने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to teach law to me. Don't try to teach law to me. कहाँ से मिला ये तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? Next we have दिमाग खराब मत करो मेरा. Don't spoil my mind. Don't spoil my mind. तुम हमेशा मेरा दिमाग खराब करते हो. You always spoil my mind. You always spoil my mind. मेरा दिमाग खराब क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you spoiling my mind? Why are you spoiling my mind? उसने मेरा दिमाग खराब कर दिया. He spoiled my mind. He spoiled my mind. Next we have हो सके तो उसे बता देना. If possible tell him. If possible tell him. हो सके तो मुझे कॉल कर लेना. If possible call me. If possible call me. हो सके तो एक और ले आना. If possible bring one more. If possible bring one more. हो सके तो ये कर देना. If possible do it. If possible do it. Next we have कितने बजे हैं? What time is it? What time is it? तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? मैच कितने बजे शुरू होगा? What time will match start? What time will match start? तुमने खाना कितने बजे खाया? What time did you eat food? What time did you eat food? Next we have भाव मत खाओ. Don't act pricey. Don't act pricey. ज़्यादा भाव मत खाओ. Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey. तुम ज़्यादा भाव खाते हो. You act so pricey. You act so pricey. वह ज़्यादा भाव खा रहा था. He was acting so pricey. He was acting so pricey. वो ज़्यादा भाव खाया करती थी. She used to act so pricey. She used to act so pricey. अब वह ज़्यादा भाव नहीं खाता. Now he doesn't act so pricey. Now he doesn't act so pricey. मैं तुम्हारी तरह ज़्यादा भाव नहीं खाता. I don't act so pricey like you. I don't act so pricey like you. ज़्यादा भाव क्यों खा रहे हो? Why are you acting so pricey? Why are you acting so pricey? Next we have वो सब तो ठीक है पर तुम जाओगे कब? That's all fine. What when will you go? That's all fine. What when will you go? वो सब तो ठीक है पर मैं जाना नहीं चाहता. That's all fine but I don't want to go. That's all fine but I don't want to go. वो सब तो ठीक है पर तुम परेशान क्यों हो? That's all fine but why are you upset? That's all fine but why are you upset? दिल पर मत लेना. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. तुमने तो दिल पर ले लिया. You took it to heart. You took it to heart. तुम हमेशा दिल पर ले लेते हो. You always take it to heart. You always take it to heart. दिल पर क्यों ले रहे हो? Why are you taking it to heart? Why are you taking it to heart? Next we have बड़े अफसोस की बात थी. It was a pity. It was a pity. बड़े अफसोस की बात होगी. It will be a pity. It will be a pity. बड़े अफसोस की बात है. It is a pity और it's a pity. बड़े अफसोस की बात है कि वह जिंदा नहीं है. It's a pity that he is no more. It's a pity that he is no more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.